I don't think this will be a surprise if you've watched any of my previous videos or reels. So today is the day that you haven't been waiting on, but I've been waiting on. So I can finally shut up about it. We have a second Bvlgari unboxing. And to go with it, I got a dress just to match this purse. Instagram got me. I was on the, sponsored ads, and so this dress has been haunting me. I knew I wanted this bag, so I got them both, and I'm just gonna see how they go together. So let's unbox in style. Let's take it out. I have not unboxed it since I brought it home. And then I think my SA Eugen, she gave me a raincoat or something. I don't know. She said she forgot to give me something with my serpentine clutch, so there might be some extra stuff in here. I'm not quite sure. Oh, I was gonna show you guys. Eugen also gave me this super cute box of gummies. It says pink diamonds, flavored like sweet strawberries. These delectable 10-carat gems are fit for a princess, made in Germany. So it's some sugar fina. I wanted to dig into this as soon as I got home, but I am keeping it nice and safe for you guys because I want to do another giveaway, like a little giveaway basket when I am close to 100 subscribers. Back to the unboxing. All right, let's do this together. This is the most satisfying part, arguably. All right, so, oh, it's upside down. Okay, it doesn't matter. Wow, I can tell that the bag is in here because it is freaking heavy. You're gonna see why. What is this? I don't know, I guess this is like a tracker if you lose your bag. There's like an app and stuff to download on the back. My first bag didn't come with that, but maybe that's what she's talking about. So I think this is the raincoat that goes with my serpentine clutch. There's a lot of extra paper. Sorry, I'm like making sure none of it has something I need. Okay, so I will say it looks super tiny, right? We all know what it is. It's not a guess. Okay, so opening her up. Oh, it's a different dust bag, I feel like. Ooh. Okay, so it's a flap. Interesting. Dun da da da. I mean, duh. So, like, I've been ranting and raving that I wanted this ever since I saw it. This is what introduced me to Bvlgari, and let me tell you, it is freaking heavy. This metal is so heavy. Like my serpentine clutch, not at all. Like the difference in how heavy the hardware is insane, especially since they are priced, I think, the same. Again, she is tiny. I think my phone will exactly fit in it. On the back, we have Bvlgari. This is just engraved with gold. That's not hardware. The inside is super plain Jane. There's just one card holder pocket in there, which you're not going to be able to see because it's too dark. I will zoom in on the hardware, of course, because that is the piece de resistance. The serpentine has a red eyes, just like all of the serpentines. Beautiful. So you can wear it as a clutch, or you can attach the strap, which is just black with Bvlgari on it, and it will just attach and wear it as a shoulder strap. So I will show you that with the dress, but I'm super excited. This is gonna be my capsule black bag for a good while, and I'm not gonna lie, I have buyer's remorse for the serpentine clutch. I kind of regretting the purchase. I think I might sell it even though I have barely worn it because, I don't know, there's just other bags that I want, and I'm just like, ugh. I feel like I rushed into that one because it said it was out of production or whatever. So we'll see, but for now, this is my true love, and I'm just relieved to finally have this in my collection. Also, something that I may not have noted in my other Bvlgari videos is that in Hawaii, Bvlgari is 10% off. Okay, so it is 10% off of what you would pay in the mainland. So just know that if you come here on vacation, and that is for a lot of luxury stores, but Bvlgari is one of them. Okay, now let's get into the dress. Like I said, I was targeted by Instagram ads, which honestly I'm not mad at. I find a lot of good things that way. But it was by some store that I've never heard of before, as Instagram does. It is called Joust. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I will show you the ad because the ad looks absolutely stunning, and if it doesn't look exactly like that ad on me, I am suing. No, I'm just kidding. But I thought this dress was stunning, and then I'll also show you a white dress that I thought was absolutely stunning, and I wanted both of them, but I was like, first of all, in Hawaii, I'm gonna basically have nowhere to even wear the black one. But I figured that if I move or if I go to events elsewhere, that's gonna be the most versatile. And the white, I mean, unless I was back in Miami, I don't know when I would wear that. So I stuck to the black, even though I really wanted to splurge. I haven't even tried this on, so you know, it's gonna be a huge bummer if it doesn't even fit me, but I looked at the sizing chart and went off that, so we're gonna see. Okay, I am back. I put on my YSL lips. I changed to gold hardware with my Louis Vuitton studs. We'll get into the dress later, but for now, I am breaking out the old trusty Louis Vuittons. I'm going all out for you guys. I never get these out because honestly, they are not comfy. Little matchy with the serpentine eyes, the lips. Oh, and the nails, forgot. Okay. It's extremely possible to get all of your outfit in frame when you are in wide picture, but here's the dress. I will say, so I got a size small because I usually am a size 2. I will say that it's very small. And I don't mean because I need to lose a few pounds, I mean because it's tight on my rib cage, you know, like where my bones are. So there's not much I can do about that. So from that information, I will say that I wish I would have gotten a medium because this is wanting to fall down. There was this strap, which like, I'm not sure if it's supposed to go like on the back of my neck. I don't know, that's not how the model was wearing it. So I kind of realized it too late. So now I'm just tucking it. What initially drew me to this dress was the square or like almost pointed neckline, I guess you could call it, but it's pretty low. But I think it's mostly because it's just a little too tight. It's just like me, I don't know. It is very form-fitting. I do like it. It is pretty. I'm gonna throw the lubes on. Okay, so I angled the camera so that you could see the bottom of the dress. So I will say that this is a little drastic for me. I don't like how extreme it is. I think it looks less classy. I would have liked it more if it just went and squished down. But it is cute, and I still think it goes with the dress, so believe in the vision. Let's see. Going out to dinner. You know what I mean? Do you see it? Yeah. That's cute. It's giving spooky. Alright, so let's attach the strap and see what it looks like as a shoulder bag. So this works the same as my serpentine clutch. So you just slide it back. And the holes are tucked and hidden here. So this one will go here. And then the rest of it goes on the other side diagonally. And voila. We have a nice shoulder bag here. Cute, so cute. I love, so this is how you can make it look more casual. I would suggest just using the serpentine as a top handle if you were going to be wearing something like this. However, just wearing a casual outfit like this, then it's totally casual and you're ready to go to the mall, go to the grocery store, pick up the kids, you know what I'm saying.
I touch, that's fine for you. I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I told her like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you're scared to do it. I'm not, as long as you joking now here for me, I ain't got it. Mobbing, scheming, looting, I ain't your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody's like you do.